Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Aleem Academy. This is lesson 4 on latex. In the previous lesson, lesson 3, we learned what is the best environment for a latex. We learned about the basic commands which will be used for every kind of work on latex. In this lesson, lesson 4, we will learn about the font sizes in latex. So what do you have to do? First of all, you have to open your latex. We have installed the WinEdit, so I'm going to open it. The WinEdit is open. So this is the environment I have added this environment in the description of the last lesson, lesson 3. You can just copy paste this into your WinEdit. Your file will run automatically. Okay, so this is the basic environment which I told you in the previous lesson. So in this lesson we are going to talk about the font sizes. Okay, remember whenever you have to type the font sizes in latex, you just need to give the command like backslash. The smallest font in latex is named as tiny. So use backslash, then write tiny. TIN. When I write TIN, it automatically gives me the word tiny. Okay, just press enter. Now you have to use curly brackets here, curly brackets, and inside the brackets you have to write the text which you want in the tiny size. This text is in tiny font size. Okay, now whenever you go to the next line, we use double backslash. So double backslash, we come to the next line. Okay, the next font after the tiny size is script size. So you have to use backslash, then SCRIP. When I write SCRIP, it automatically gives me script size. Okay, I go to that and then I just press enter. Then I use the curly brackets and I write here everything which I will write here. It will automatically be in the script size. This text is in script font size. Okay, now I go to the next line. So I will write here double backslash, then enter. Okay, the next size is footnote size. Okay, footnote size, backslash FOOT foot NOTE note and then size. Okay, footnote size. Then use the curly brackets and then we write something. This is basically footnote font size. Now double backslash. Okay, I check these things. The shortcut keyboard key to run the PDF in latex is basically control F9, sorry. So I press control F9 and this is going to give me the PDF file. So this is your PDF file. You can check here, you can see here this one. Okay, the first one, this text is in tiny font size. This is tiny font size. The next one, this text is in scripts font size. Alright, and the third one, this is basically footnote font size. Okay, these are the three sizes. Now we go to WinEdit and we type the next font size. Alright, after footnote size we have small size. So backslash SMALL small and then curly brackets, it is small font size. Okay, now double backslash. The next font size is normal size. Backslash NORMAL normal as normal size. Then curly brackets. This text is in normal font size. Okay, next double backslash, Okay, the next, after normal font size, the next one is large with small l, large, large. Okay, then curly bracket, this text is in large, large font size. Okay, double backslash, the next size after large is basically large but with capital L, large, large. Okay, now this text is in large font size. Okay, we check our work till here. Just I need to press Control F9. Control F9 is a shortcut key to run PDF file. Okay, see, this is our PDF file. You can observe the font sizes here. This was tiny font size, this is script font size, and this one is the footnote size, this is small size, this is normal font size, this is large font size with small l, and this is large font size with capital L. Okay, you can see the differences in them. Now we move to the next font size. Alright, next one is the font size with the capital large. All letters will be capital LARGE. Okay, and this one is LARGE, large font size. Okay, the next one after large we have huge with small h, backslash HUG, huge. Okay, curly brackets, and this is huge font size. Okay, then double backslash, and then we have the last one, huge with capital H, HUGE, capital H. Okay, and this is huge font size. Alright, so these are all the sizes. Now I just check it. I press the shortcut key Control F9. It will run my PDF file. Alright, so this is your PDF file. Okay, and you can see the differences in the sizes. Okay, you can check here. This is large font size with the capital L. Okay, with the capital, all capital letters, and this is huge font size, and this one is huge font size with the capital H. Alright, these kind of all font sizes you can write in LaTeX. You can give headings by these font sizes, you can give subheadings, or you can give theorem headings or book headings, page headings, any kind of working you can do by using these font sizes. But remember, there is a proper way to write them. The proper way is that you have to start with the backslash, then you have to write down the font size, and then give a space, then use curly brackets, and inside curly brackets we have to write down the text. Okay, one more thing I would like to tell you here. Let's move back to the LaTeX page. Okay, one more thing is this. So let's suppose you want to write some bold letter. Okay, so you have to use here like huge. Okay, now I use curly bracket, and now I type here backslash text BF, text BF. Okay, when I type text BF, it automatically gives me curly brackets. Inside these curly brackets, in the highlighted part, you have to write whatever you want in the bold size. So this text is in huge and bold font size. Okay, now I just check it. Control F9. Alright, see, check out the difference. Okay, like this is huge font size. Okay, and this text is in huge and bold font size. The command which I used for this is backslash text BF. Okay, now I teach you one more thing. The next thing is this, that if you want to write your text in italic, okay, so let's suppose I type here huge, then I write curly brackets, and now backslash, I write text IT, okay, text IT mean italic. Okay, now I write the text here. This text is in huge and italic font size. All right, now I check it. Control F9. All right, see the difference. This one is basically your italics, your text is in italic size, and this is also huge, like this one is huge and this one is italic also. Okay, these are the font sizes which you can choose for your work in latex, and it will help you in writing book, in writing thesis, in writing research paper, in writing everything whatever you want to write in latex. Thank you so much for your precious time.